Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: how search engines work in 2025. As many of you know, search engines have evolved significantly over the years. With advancements in artificial intelligence, a focus on user experience, and a shift toward mobile-first approaches, the landscape of SEO is changing rapidly. It's crucial to understand these changes, as they directly impact our SEO strategies. Today, we'll explore how these developments affect your approach to staying competitive in the digital space. By the end of this session, you'll have a clearer picture of what to expect and how to adapt your strategies moving forward. Let's get started. Ever wonder why some websites just feel like they dominate Google while others sink without a trace? Let's take a little mental trip. Imagine Google as a massive, buzzing city in 2025. Now the city's just rolled out new traffic laws. And if you don't know them, you're basically driving blind. All right, let's dive into slide 2, Google's 2025 core updates. This year, Google's making 3 big moves. First, the March 2025 core update. Think of it as putting a spotlight on real creators, not click farms, not recycled junk. If your content's honest, helpful, and relevant, you're golden. Next up, advanced AI integration. Forget keyword stuffing. Google's AI reads between the lines now. It understands what people mean, not just what they type. And finally, anti-spam measures are hitting harder than ever. Low-quality tricks, shortcut SEO hacks, toast. Gone. So, how do you actually win in this new landscape? Step 1, you've got to learn the basics. Understand how search engines crawl, index, and rank today, not last year, not 5 years ago. Because if you don't know the rules, you're not even playing the game. Step 2, audit your site like a detective. What's slow? What's messy? What's outdated? You want Google's AI to glide through your site like it's skating on glass, not trip over broken links. Step 3, plan content like a strategist, not a machine. It's not about dumping keywords everywhere. It's about answering real questions, sparking curiosity, solving real problems. Your future audience, they'll be pickier and way more loyal if you get it right. And finally, track and improve. Because guess what? Even in 2025, SEO isn't a one-shot deal. You monitor your rankings, watch user behavior, adapt, evolve, outsmart. Think of it like tending a garden in the middle of a futuristic city. The old weeds, they'll get pulled. But if you plant the right seeds now, you're going to thrive, no matter how wild the AI jungle gets. Picture this. You're building a house, but the land keeps shifting under your feet. That's what SEO feels like in 2025 if you don't know the new rules. All right, let's move to slide 3. Key ranking factors in 2025. At the very top of the pyramid, EEAT, experience, expertise, authoritativeness, trustworthiness. It's not enough anymore to sound smart. Google's asking, have you actually lived what you're teaching? Shared real experiences? Built real credibility? If you're faking it, trust me, you'll vanish faster than a Snapchat story. Next, we've got AI content analysis. Google's AI isn't just reading words, it's judging quality, originality, engagement. It's like your content walks into a talent show. And the judges are robots with zero patience for mediocrity. And finally, content freshness. Old news is just old. You've got to keep your site breathing, pulsing, updating, because Google rewards those who stay alive, not the ones who built something once and abandoned it. So how do you actually play smart? First, learn the basics. Know what Google is looking for. Genuine expertise, smart originality, active updates. You can't bluff your way through it anymore. Second, audit your site. Is your About page dusty? Blog posts from 2019? Scrub it clean. Show Google and your users that you're still in the game. Third, plan content like a living, breathing conversation, not a monologue. Ask yourself, what are people really searching for today? How can I answer it better than anyone else? And last, track and improve. What's resonating? What's falling flat? SEO today is a living system. You feed it, it grows. You ignore it, it withers. In 2025, the winners aren't just louder, they're truer, smarter, and faster to adapt. Imagine walking into a store. The lights are flickering. The floor's sticky. The staff? Nowhere in sight. Would you stay? Of course not. That's exactly how users feel when your site loads slowly, jumps around, or just looks messy. And in 2025, Google's watching it happen in real time. All right, slide 4. Core Web Vitals and user experience. Core Web Vitals are Google's way of asking, Is this site fast? Is it stable? Is it pleasant to use? 3 key questions. How fast does the biggest thing on the page load? How quickly does it respond to taps or clicks? Does the layout stay solid, or does it shift around and glitch? Sounds basic, right? Yet most sites still fail. So what do we do? Step 1, learn the basics. Not just what core web vitals are, but why they matter. Fast sites build trust. Trust builds rankings. No mystery. No magic. Step 2, audit your site. Run real tests. Use tools like PageSpeed Insights or Lighthouse. Don't just guess. Find the slow spots, the lags, the frustrations users feel, but never mention. Step 3, plan content with experience in mind. A brilliant blog post won't shine if it's buried under pop-ups and autoplay videos. Think clean, clear, fast. Every click, every scroll should feel effortless. And finally, step 4, track and improve. Core Web Vitals aren't a one-and-done fix. You tweak, you tighten, you speed up, month after month, like tuning an engine that never stops running. Because in 2025, good user experience isn't optional. It's your front door, or the locked gate keeping everyone out. Let me ask you something. When's the last time you stuck around on a slow, clunky website just out of loyalty? Exactly. Never. In 2025, user experience isn't just important, it's the lifeline of your search rankings. Let's jump into slide 5, user experience as a ranking priority. First up, device responsiveness. Your site needs to work seamlessly on a massive desktop screen, a tablet, or a phone with spotty Wi-Fi on the other side of the planet. If the experience breaks, so does your chance to keep that visitor. Next, accessibility. This isn't optional anymore. Inclusive design, ensuring everyone, regardless of ability, can navigate your site, directly affects your rankings. Google isn't just rewarding strength, it's rewarding thoughtfulness. Now, engagement metrics, time on page, click-through rates. These aren't vanity stats. They're signals. They tell Google, hey, people actually like this content. And then intuitive navigation. If users can't find what they need in a couple of clicks, they're gone. Confused users don't convert. They bounce. And every bounce chips away at your visibility. So, what's the move? Step 1, learn the basics. Understand how real people interact with your site, not just what looks pretty in a mock-up. Step 2, audit like a user, not a webmaster. Use your phone, try a screen reader. Find the pain points and fix them. Step 3, plan content around real-world journeys, not just pages. Paths. Where do users begin? Where do they hesitate? Where do they smile and stay? Step 4, track and improve relentlessly. Study your engagement metrics like a treasure map, because honestly, that's exactly what they are. In 2025, the web is ruthless. Only the smoothest, most welcoming experiences survive. You spend months perfecting a gorgeous desktop site, sleek, refined, visually stunning, and then Google barely notices. In 2025, it's mobile first, or no first at all. Let's break down slide 6, mobile first indexing, the 2025 standard. First, the primary index source. Google evaluates your mobile site first, not the desktop version, not your cinematic animations, just your mobile site. If it's slow, broken, or missing critical info, you don't exist. Next, speed requirements. Mobile users have zero patience. If your site lags, they swipe away instantly, and Google's algorithm knows it. Slowness equals lost ranking. Now, performance impact. A poor mobile experience isn't just a minor issue, it's a major hit. If users are pinching, zooming, and fighting your interface, your traffic vanishes fast. Then, content parity. Your mobile site can't be a watered-down version. No stripped menus, no missing product details. Everything that matters must be there, clearly, accessibly, and fully optimized. So what's the smart move? 1, learn the fundamentals. Master mobile-first principles. Not just responsive layouts, real touch-friendly design thinking. 2, audit ruthlessly. Test your site on an actual phone. Tap every link. Note what breaks, what lags, what frustrates. 3, design content mobile first. Think thumbs, not mice. Simplify navigation, prioritize clarity, deliver value in 2 taps or less. 4, track and iterate. Monitor speed, usability, bounce rates continuously, because what works today might be obsolete by next quarter. In 2025, mobile isn't just a channel, it's the entire playing field. You're either optimized or you're out. So here we are, the landscape shifting beneath our feet. Again, let's talk about how we can actually adapt to the evolving search ecosystem of 2025. First up, regular performance audits. You can't fix what you don't see, right? Tracking core web vitals and user experience metrics weekly is no longer optional. It's like checking your pulse. Google's Analytics suite is sharper than ever. Use it to catch the small stuff before it snowballs into big losses. Next, people-first content. Ask yourself, what kind of site do you actually stay on? Not the one stuffed with keywords. The one that solves your problem, clearly, quickly. In 2025, it's simple. Create original, valuable content that meets real needs. No gimmicks. No AI-flavored fluff. Google's smarter, and so are your users. Now, here's the game changer. Rapid algorithm adaptation. Google's shifting gears faster than ever. Monthly updates, subtle shifts, surprise changes. Set it and forget it is dead. Fast monitoring and fast strategy shifts aren't just smart, they're survival. So how do we put this into action? Step 1. Learn what's changed and what hasn't. Don't chase trends blindly. Understand the core principles driving search. Step 2. Audit your site ruthlessly, week after week. No assumptions, no blind spots. Step 3. Plan content that feels like a one-on-one conversation. Helpful, clear, no smoke, no mirrors. And finally, track and improve constantly. Not quarterly, not annually, all the time. Because in 2025, the search ecosystem rewards the fast, the real, and the relentlessly focused. So, are you ready to lead that race?